Hello at my factory. Finally I fixed this machine's accident. Hydraulics is back in place. Oil is in level, fresh. I still keep disconnect this pipe because I want see here is coming out fresh oil. Also I top up here some kerosene with oil, and so coolant. Before this video I approved the hydraulics. So coolant, a new solution for coolant that I've done over here. I think it's working better than it was when this is here is the original set for coolant, but I drill a bore over here and remake it different. Very nice, I think. So I again can green wood chipper blades. So So, thanks for the watching. Good luck and have a nice day. Postscriptum. I spent almost 2 days this machine repair.